The new software has been updated and tested. We can send you the upgrade file if you already have the previous version installed on your computer. You can upgrade directly to the new version from the existing one. This video will guide you on how to upgrade the old version. The entire upgrade process only takes 2 minutes, so please oversee the video to ensure you don't encounter any errors during the upgrade. After the upgrade, you won't need to register the software and set up your lock again. The upgrade process is about to begin. Open the upgrade file and you can change the language of the upgrade interface from Chinese to English according to the prompts, which may be more conducive to your next operations. The system will automatically recognize the old version on your computer. The upgrade will proceed automatically after you click on the name of the old version. After the upgrade was completed, you can log into the software to issue a guest card and test if it can open the door lock normally. You can also issue a new MasterCard and check if the expiration date has been updated. If everything is correct, congratulations! Your software has been successfully upgraded.